9/16 to whatever, small. Here's a standard set of Snap-on Allens, 1/8 inch, I think, yeah. 1/8 inch to 3/8, I think. Just another set. These are all Craftsman except for, well, these here are actually pretty new. For a while, I just had from whatever, from 1/4 to 3/4. I want to go ahead and fill inside. These are those Matco ADV sockets. So from 13/16 to 1 inch, shallow and deep, or ADV, and all the rest of these are Craftsman. Except this 9/16 Snap-on. Metric Snap-on 12-point deep from 11/8 to 19. Standard 12-point from 1/4 to 7/8. Metric, all Craftsman. Here's a Streamlight. Little set of Matco bits. Little set of Torx bits, 1/4 inch drive. These long ball end metric from 4 to 10 millimeter. Ratchets. We got a kind of a mid-length Snap-on, kind of a longer one. Same style, same model, just longer. Here's a flex head, 80 tooth or whatever, Snap-on. 1/4 inch drive, Snap-on. 1/4 inch drive, flex head, Snap-on. And then I've got like a whole set of these straight 3/8 drive Snap-ons. And then I got another set of the wobble, like this here. I got a set of these with a wobble in. Same with the 1/4 inch drive too. I got the wobble plus a set of these. They're Snap-on. You can see that. So, and then all the adapters. Here's a nut driver, extra sockets, little hose, clamp off tool, extra Allen bits. And then two bit sets right here. Torx, Phillips, straight blade, and 2 different lengths. Same thing here, but they're the adapter kit. Blue-point bit set. I've seen all of those. A couple tape measures. Craftsman, everything in the back, impact. From 12 millimeter to 27. I don't know what's going on there, but they're all there. Like 12 millimeter to 24 Snap-on. So 12-point. Same here, shallow 12-point or metric Snap-on. These are Craftsman. Metric wobble. Deep 12-point chrome Snap-on from 3/8 to 1 1/8. Most of these are Craftsman too, these impacts. Except for a couple of these on the end are those Matco ADV ones. 1 1/4. 7/16 to 1 1/4. Couple Snap-on ratchets, like a 16 inch I think. And like a 24 inch. And then here is another set. Like 1/4 inch to 1 1/8. Snap-on 12-point. 6-point Snap-on. Up to 1 1/2. Where this stops, basically 1 1/8. Basically go from there to the 6-point snap-on, 2.5 inches. So I have every socket from there to 1.5 inches, and then 6-point sockets. Same with this too. I got 6-point shallows, and they go to 6-point, and they're all snap-on. That one's not, but it doesn't belong there. I think this one here goes on there actually. 12-point, 3/4 drive. I've got a 3/4, 7/8, I think, and a 15/16, all just like this, for removing wheels. I got an 1.1 and an 3/16 wobble snap-on, 1/2 drive. And I got this set. Basically, what I did there, from 27, I went to these snap-on 6-point metric to 36 millimeter. So I got all those right there. Allen's 1/2 inch drive to 12 millimeter, I think, to 3/4 or 19, and then 1/2 inch or no, 7/16. Yeah, 7/16. That's it. 7/16 to 3/4 on the other ones. 7/8 right Allen 3/4 drive. Couple different wobbles. Got a snap-on. There's a Craftsman in there. Here's my snap-on. It's got tape on it right now for some reason. So snap-on deep 3/4. 1/2 inch drive. Like I said, another one of these. This is a 3/4, I think. I just don't keep it on that rail because I got the 19 on there, so you know, you really don't need this one, but I got it. Couple adapters, 1/2 to 3/4, 3/4 to 1/2. Better keep 2 of them. There's a thin 19. Kind of cobbled together. Needed that one time. Shouldn't anyway. Doesn't matter, but a couple 15s. Oh, I keep all my standard wobble 1/2 inch drive over here. I don't even keep them on a rail because I use a lot of 3/8 drive, and if I'm going to use a 15, which is or 1.1 inch, you know, it's about. I mean, I've got a whole set, but they're right here. So I've got 2 15/16s, maybe more, and then the rest of them are back there. And here I just got a couple 22-inch pair of Knipex Cobras, I think. 15-inch Knipex Cobras. 2 pairs of channel locks, I think they're 15-inch. Chain wrench, which is Blue Point. Or I thought it was. Yeah, Blue Point right there. Basically, I think here I got an 18-inch crescent wrench. I think I got up to 1.5 inch in angle and regular combination wrenches in this drawer. Small pry bars, a few hammers, a brass hammer, my little favorite hammer right here, a little short. I think it's an actual Napa brand hammer, but that's all I need. Snap-on mallet, another soft tapper there, snap-on, line-up bar, spud bar, and like I said, I think I go from 1.1 or 1 3/16 all the way up to I think 1.5 in here, a couple 15-inch crescent wrench, and I got actually pretty much 2 of everything in here. I got a set of Sunex up to 1.5 and a set of snap-ons up to 1.5, so and I got a few Napas in there too. One want it. Down here is just a 1-inch drive. 1-inch drive sockets and impact. Nothing. Milwaukee cordless stuff. Here's a 3/8 fuel. 1/2-inch drive fuel. M18 grease gun. There's a fuel 4.5-inch angle grinder. There's an M12 fuel. Got a little zip gun. There's a Milwaukee light right here. Matco cordless ratchet. And a fuel 1/2-inch drill. I've got 2 4.5-inch angle grinders down here. One is a Bosch. One of them is a DeWalt, like a Matco. Cheap little battery tester. And I've got a little hose here to blow up tires. Air tools. Snap-on long angle grinder. Matco air saw. Matco 3/8 ratchet, air ratchet. 1/4-inch drive. Silver Eagle air ratchet. Cat 3/4. Matco 3/4. Blower siphon gun. Matco stubby, 1/2-inch drive. I think I got this air saw ran needle scale. Blue Point air gun. 725, I think, or whatever it is. Snap-on 1/2-inch drive impact straight. Matco. Cut off wheel die grinder. 90-degree Matco die grinder. MG31. 3/8 Matco blow gun with rubber tip. Another Matco blow gun with rubber tip with a snap-on air drill, 1/2-inch drive. Matco air hammer, snap-on air hammer, Blue Point die grinder, and a Silver Eagle drill. Air hammer. 3/4 drive. Pretty much everything from 3/4 probably to 2.5, except for that one 3-inch socket. And some heads and extensions, ratchets. This is just from like 1.5 to 2-inch. Snap-on angles to 2-inch. And I've also got these Sunex up to 2-inch. I've also got these Sunex Pro Speed up to 2.25. Awesome drill bits, Matco uni bits, just line-up studs. These are snap-on bolt extractors, just that kind of thing. All kinds of little puller things that, you know, you need every now and then. Little adapters for your slide hammers, little pipe plugs, some keyways. Those are, not really tools, but these are. I want some money for them, I guess. Keyways, I didn't pay for those. This is a tap. Greenfield tap. I don't know what's in here. A set of Matco drill bits are all in there. Well, I said they are. Missing one there, a couple. Bigger drill bits, I think maybe that's 1.1/8. Smaller drill bits. More taps. Extra torch head, Victor.